Alright, so hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we are going to be getting acquainted with a skill or a new concept. I don't know if you know about this or you don't know about this, but we are going to be learning or exploring Project FUGU. This is not a tutorial. This is not some sort of coding sessions and all those things that I regularly do. But this is something about awareing yourself about a thing. Now, I know you all probably know about this thing called web GPU. You know about notifications, you know about push notifications, all those things. But this all these things, but you don't know where I can get a curated way of learning all this browser API. So the name is Project FUGU. So if you want to see the capabilities, you can actually go over to the Project FUGU API showcase, and there you can see all the APIs that comes under Project FUGU. Now, if you see clearly, it also has web Bluetooth, web HID interface, which is human interface devices. Keyboard and all these things are like common human interface devices, so they have built-in support in the browser. But let's say you are using some other interface devices, so you can actually control that thing using the web HID interface. Now, these are probably going to use by gaming softwares, etc., because they have their own controller. But and even it has cache storage, background sync, and full-blown file operating system that I'm going to show you in the later part of this video. But the point over here is, if you see from top to bottom, majority of the native apps that you build, let's say in Android Studio or Swift, now can be built with Project FUGU or using these APIs. Project FUGU is just a parent name that we mention to mention all of these things APIs. So now you will also say that we have OTP support. So now there you go. We have web OTP in which you can okay, there is Tinder. So you can basically get access to the OTP thing just we have in the native Android systems. So if you want to learn about this, you can probably go to Project FUGU web APIs. Now there is also a person called Francois Buoforto. I've also read his things, so you can actually go about that around how you can get better at it. So now you can see these are the most commonly used patterns in Project FUGU. Probably PWAs, you have heard about it. You have heard about the push notifications kind of thing. So you can actually go here and you know contribute, or you can use this APIs, play around with it. Now the thing I want to show you was, let's put it in a scenario, and now from here you can actually get the full potential of Project FUGU. So I have this Photoshop thing over here. Now if you want to get the Photoshop file saved in, let's say in my system, we have we can write streams and all those things. If you want to do it in, like, you want to do a full-blown explorer inside browser, you're probably going to use IndexedDB and all those JSON jargonish stupid things. But you know you can just use origin private file system. You can install the extensions, and here you can see just how we do with C and all those things. uh, you can actually like see here, we have folders and all those things. We have in get storage, we can also build folders and all those things. Now if you go to this thing, now here you can see this is origin private file system. This is not an IndexedDB, but here you can definitely see we have this folders, which is a root folder, which is your hard drive kind of. You can picture this as a hard drive. And then here you can see a 352 MB file saved right into the browser. Now that's the power of Project FUGU, and like I am using original private file system for many of the applications. Now I don't have to worry about saving and all those things. You can save. I can just go over here and I can just download it. Oops. So you can click on this, right click, and you can, download all, and it will tell you don't want to do and all those things. So you get the idea, right? So I hope you will explore this part of the web as well. It's super amazing if you want to fully leverage the hardware APIs to, do different kinds of things. It has background support, background fetch, and all those, like all the things that you probably be doing in a native environment or native applications. Yes, some of them is still not available, but majority of the things is there. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like the information and awareness. So see ya and have a good day.